As you losing as well, if you see the difference between the
natural and
the relaxed.
yeah.
You see what's the natural day? No, Jesus. Jesus.
More advice
I want move the dead. I want keep my natural hair. Yes, my natural hair needs stress me. It's soft, so I don't know whether I even see the difference between.
Sure?
Because if you show and say for you will.
No, the natural hair long now. They come and buy it. They make a 1 month.
Me say I go market the morning time. Only price. Back for next one picking they tell me say 14.5. Ask someone say they back the cow or they book them. Move and far change my mind. Mama me.
I think Mama want to do nails.
Hello. Oh my hair. Thank you. I'm butchering my hair. My baby is fine. Hi there, welcome to a new vlog. So I woke up and decided to cut my hair. Well, not really woke up and decided to cut my hair. I have been thinking of cutting my hair. I relaxed my hair at some point, and then I started growing it out without ever relaxing. So for months and months, my hair grew and grew and grew, and my natural hair became more than the hair that I had relaxed. So it was looking very funny. I knew I had to trim out the edges of my hair that were already relaxed, and that's exactly what I did today. I really have full mesh. If you come, I gave you a small for front. I also had to get my nails done, but because I had spent a lot of time out of the house, I just did my toenails and rushed back home because the breast milk I had pumped for Josh was already finished and my phone was ringing. How are you guys doing? It's the third term holidays and we've been doing a lot of study time. Letter A sounds A as in apple. Letter B sounds B as in bag. Letter C sounds K as in cup. Cup. Say cup. Cup. Let's look for letter C. Joshua, who is making noise here? What's this? What's this? That's a ball, right? Okay, letter C sounds K. See letter C? K. K. As in? What's this? Cup. Say cup. Cat. Car. To fix these fishes. Yeah, this fish was 7,000 francs. I am not understanding. You guys, this is fish for 7,000 francs. So they sold 6 fishes for 7,000 francs, which means that when you go to that mama at the roadside or to wherever you're buying your fish, roasted fish, and they tell you that one of these is like 1,500 or even 2,000, those people's heads, they are very correct. Is what they are also seeing in the market that they are giving back to us. Okay. So today is like a kind of semi-meal prepping. We are washing meat and then packaging them in different wrappings. I've shown you guys this over and over. I didn't think there was any need to show you guys the process again. But yeah, we washed our kanda. We have liver, towel, intestine. I'm going to make mixed meat sauce. I have a video on that on this channel. If you would like to see, just type mixed meat sauce. Okay. JD's home is gonna pop up. You're going to see it's just like this meat that they sell, that they walk on the road and they shout pot. When I made it, I finally did not film it. We had to travel to Boya, so I was doing all of this because I wanted to come back to their house to just a house full of food. My former neighbors, my amazing neighbors, I had spoken about them in a lot of videos. So on the day I was supposed to have my baby Joshua, when I got to the hospital, I realized that we had to reserve blood because I was being induced. So I realized that we had to reserve blood just in case I needed it at some point. I had never had to reserve blood in any of my childbirth experiences, but I had to reserve blood this time. So I was in the hospital room, and then my husband was trying to figure out who to call, who to get to come and donate. And then I don't know how he thought of calling our former neighbors, and he called them. You guys, it was midnight, and I just turned and saw our former neighbor coming. And I had spoken in other vlogs on my other channel, Jenny with Data, how I had amazing neighbors, and just some of the things that they would do for us that would make me realize how much kindness is an amazing thing. So they were coming over to visit baby Joshua, and I decided to just receive them also with a gift basket that I'll give them to take back with them, just to show that I'm grateful. I left a little note of prayer inside. And yeah, if you have neighbors and you can be kind to them in any way, be kind. Okay. They finally came bearing a lot of gifts for us, and I was just so happy seeing them again after a long while. A couple of who is that knocking my door? I'm editing this video. You guys see why I've not given you guys vlogs? I'm coming, daddy. I'm editing my video and doing I'm coming. I'm editing this video and trying to give you guys a vlog, and people are knocking on my door. Like, I literally have to lock myself up and just hide a bit to have time for myself. It's hectic. This mom of 4 life, it's hectic. People did not tell me. I went out with my husband and we were just looking at some things. We went to give this guy an order to buy something from Douala for us. He has a lot of nice things in his shop, so if there's anything I need, I wanted him to get me a how do they call this thing? I wanted to get a lamp, like a floor lamp. Yeah, so that's why we went to the shop, and then I saw these washing machines and I was just looking at them like this. I've never seen this brand before. Not something I'm considering anytime soon though, but I was just feeding my eyes with them to see and asking questions. Relevant and irrelevant.
You are the Lord, that is your name. You will never share your glory with any man. You will never share your glory with anybody. Almighty God, that is your name. Worthy is your name. I give you all the praise, 'cause you're worthy of it all. Worthy is your name. I give you all the praise, 'cause you're worthy of it all. We bless you, Lord,
Oh, mountain you will climb up. This boy's hair is so grown, Josh. Josh, your hair is so grown, Josh. Josh took his bath. No mountain you won't climb up, shadow you will light up, coming after me. No lie you won't say that. Ooh, this is long. Like what? Josh Jojo. Hi, Jojo. Jojo. Hi, my Jojo. Jojo is a clean boy. Yeah,